Hi, I'm Giovanna from Atlassian. Let's talk about instructions in Rovo Dev CLI and how you can store them to later reuse them. At any point you can run, which will tell you some of the built-in instructions already available for you and how you can create custom ones manually in the instructions.yml file. That file should be created and kept inside the Rovo Dev folder. You can see one of the instructions I previously made. To look at all the stored instructions, just run instructions. From here you can choose to create a new instruction or run one of the previously saved instructions. I'm going to create a new instruction now. I'm going to tell Rovo Dev CLI the name of my instruction and the description. If the instructions file didn't previously exist, Rovo Dev CLI would have created one for me. Let's check the instructions list again. And there is my new instructions right here.